Hello, guys and glams. Welcome back to our channel, The Classy Joda, and our Goa Journal series.
और इससे पहले के व्लॉग यानी द वाटर स्पोर्ट्स व्लॉग में आप सब ने देखा हमें स्पीड बोट पर लहरों के साथ बातें करते हुए।
छुआ आसमान को और किया पैरासेलिंग राइड।
सीखा लहरों पर चलना और वो भी बम्पर राइड को एंजॉय करते हुए।
अब देखिए आगे।
Where we are staying right now, that is Park by Residence. That is our room. Second floor, the balcony that you can see. And it's a pool view, so we have a really great view from our room. And right now it's an afternoon, so everyone is sitting here. That's the bar where you can sit and have drink in the evening. Even now you can have a drink. And that's Prasad. That's a nice, sit and relax. That is a nice ambience as well. And it's pretty. This is having a really good aesthetic, by the way. The kids are playing. That's the kids zone where the kids can play and relax. So that is a good part. And the parents can also sit here and see. So now this park, it is much needed since we are here for some relaxation. So this is also important for us. So let's see where to go. Please take an appointment. Just pre-book that over the call and tell them then which slot you want because it's as per the slot. So now we are not going to make the further vlog because there are certain privacy issues, including us. We are not okay with it. So now we'll take the spa, and after the spa, we'll give you a review, and that will be recorded, and we'll be talking about that how the spa went, and what spa is a better option. By the way, this is what you get. There you have options. So at the time of when we entered, at the time of check-in, we came here. So they suggested us that you have to pay for 500 rupees advance, and then you will get 25% off. So we are gonna take that. So now we'll take the therapy and let's see how it goes. By the way, it's our first time that Pritha and I are taking a spa. Before this, we never had, so we have no idea how it's gonna happen and what will be the experience. So let's see.
1 hour later.
We are just out. We are looking very fresh.
Very
How was
refreshing
it?
actually. It's very refreshing.
Give your
Very
review.
calming. ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है टैन भी हट गया है? Oh God.
हाँ एक्चुअली
है ना?
में आई फील सो टैन हट गया अभी थोड़ी देर पहले वी वर लाइक भूत बट अभी टैन हट गया है एंड नॉट जस्ट दैट फ्रैंकली मैं तो 3-4 बार खराटे मार रहा था मतलब इट वाज सो कामिंग सो रिलैक्सिंग
मैंने इसलिए डिस्टर्ब नहीं किया. चलो ठीक है सोने दो थोड़ा.
इट वाज सो कामिंग एंड रिलैक्सिंग मतलब 1 घंटे का था मतलब 15 minutes फॉर द मसाज एंड 10 minutes for the steam, and then they let you take a shower as well because to take off the extra oil from your body. But otherwise बहुत मतलब सूदिंग था यार. मैं सो गया मैं 3-4 बार खराटे मारे. I have a bad habit of snoring. So this is where we have come. Patel Kaju Wholesale Depot. This is a government approved shop. And you'll find lots of options of kaju, different kajus. They have really many options here. and there are a lot of chocolate options are also there. So garlic kaju, this is
Butter salted.
butter salted,
Black
black
pepper.
pepper,
Red chili.
red chili,
Green chili.
green
धनिया
chili
पुदीना
and
and
mixed.
assorted.
एक जरा प्राइसेस बता दीजिए.
190 rupees each.
190 any packet.
हाँ.
Any packet is for
And-
190 and कितना ग्राम होता है?
200 grams sir.
कितना?
200 grams.
200 grams. And they also have different chocolate options too.
This is wine chocolate.
These are all
Alcohol chocolate.
the base of these chocolates are wine chocolate.
This is different type.
The bottle shape is also wine. That's lovely.
And that side is plum cake.
This is famous plum cake.
And that side is babinka and dodo. ये यहाँ का स्पेशल है, फेमस है यहाँ
yes, yes.
ट्रेडिशनल स्वीट्स है.
This is what we were eating in the hotel ना.
This is also wine chocolates.
ये प्राइस क्या है? प्राइस क्या है इसका?
ये 300 का था.
ये 300 का है.
ये गोवन जैम है, काजू वगैरह भी रहता है अंदर.
काजू वगैरह है इसमें. गोवन
ड्राई
है.
फ्रूट मिक्स है.
अब साथ साथ प्राइसेस भी बता दीजिए.
स्ट्रॉबेरी है, ये 150 का आता है.
150 का जैम.
ये यहाँ का फेमस जूस आता है, इसको कोकम.
है ये?
कोकम शरबत रहता है.
हाँ.
वो पानी डाल के पीने का.
और ये फ्लेवर चॉकलेट से.
हाँ, ये फ्लेवर चॉकलेट
आलमंड
से.
वाला है कि
ये आलमंड्स आता है उसके अंदर.
क्या प्राइस होगा उनका?
ये वाला 280 रुपीज़ का आता है.
280 से शुरू
हाँ.
है.
आणि कोकोनट ऑयल का
कोकोनट ऑयल आता है, यहाँ का फेमस है. A to Z यूज़ करते हैं, हेयर के लिए, स्किन के लिए, मसाज के लिए, सब्जी के लिए.
वर्जिन कोकोनट ऑयल.
वर्जन नहीं बोल सकते, वर्जन इसके ऊपर आता है.
अच्छा
इसके
इसके
सेकंड वाला
तो
ये.
ये कितने का
ये
प्राइस?
250 रुपीज़ का रहता है, आधा लीटर.
150 250 का
आधा
हाफ लीटर का है ये.
हाँ.
इससे कोई छोटा बॉटल
इससे छोटा ऑप्शन नहीं है.
नहीं है.
नहीं. ये मेरा विजिटिंग कार्ड है.